Hey, Mama. What are you doing?
I'm looking at the jar de dupes. It's getting very full.
Yes.
Space for a few
It's
more.
our Franglish
Yes.
jar de dupe, because I've been told that the word in French should actually be double, but I was like, I'm Franglishing this. I like the word dupe
Who
better.
told you it should be double?
Somebody in the comments. We had a nice
Oh.
little chat.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
I'm
So,
even a French major. So what are we opening today?
well, Mom, remember that Disney movie that I had you watch recently?
Mm-hmm.
Well,
This is from Disney Wish, which was super cute.
I had a very violent reaction to Wish, didn't I?
You did. This is a really cute. Well,
Yes.
you did not like Magnifico.
Magnifico, Chris Pine did an excellent job because of the fact that I really did not like his character, and that was his job, was to make me not
Yes,
like him.
That is so true. You weren't supposed to like him, but this movie really
He was a
was-
tiny-minded male.
Yes. This actually was a very sweet movie.
It was a
Really
very
cute.
sweet movie.
We just watched it recently and really enjoyed it.
Yes, so today we're going to be opening the Wish Collection Peek. This has 9 characters in it. There are no bonus figures in
bonus
here,
figures.
but at least that means that we won't be disappointed.
We will
No
not.
disappointment for us today.
No disappointment.
Yep. So, Mama, let's get it opened.
Let's get it.
All right, while Mama's guessing, here are all of the characters up close. All right, Mama, who do you think it
My
is?
first guess is Amaya,
Okay.
who is the queen. Because I am feeling a crown, so that's why I'm guessing her. And I am correct. So here is
Very
Amaya.
cute.
Yeah, she's super cute.
Oh, I think the thing is we say that every single one of them is cute.
They are, but she is super cute.
Ooh, we're getting a lovely foot shot there too, Mama.
don't need to see
All
my
right.
feet.
Any ideas on the next one, or do you need a
this
second?
Next one, I'm gonna guess Asha.
Okay.
Let's see. Is it Asha?
I think her name's actually Asha, if I remember correctly.
Asha?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. This is Asha.
I think it's
So,
Asha.
Asha. That sounds better, actually.
Yeah.
Asha.
Okay. Here she is.
Asha sounds very
Asha.
Asha.
Yeah, here she is. All right, Mom, do you need a second to guess the next one?
I'm thinking. I'm gonna guess Sakina. I'm gonna guess that, but I'm not sure. Am I correct? Yes. Wow, I'm batting 1,000.
You're doing really well. Good job, Mama. Very cute. All right, let's give you a minute to guess the next one. All right, Mama, who's the next one?
I'm gonna guess Dahlia.
Okay, Dahlia.
Dahlia, like, oh good, I'm glad I changed. Oh my gosh, look at her little glasses. She's got to look at her little glasses.
Oh, you love her, don't you?
Yes, I love her little spectacles. Super cute.
All right, let's give you a minute to guess the next one. While she is guessing, a recap of everybody we have so far. All right, Mom, you ready, or do you need more time?
Let's guess Sabino.
Okay.
Let's see if it is Sabino. Sabino. Which is it? Oh, no, it's not. It's Valentino.
I love Valentino. His deep voice cracks me up. Look at how cute. All right, let's give Mama more time to guess. Okay, Mama, who do you think it is?
I'm thinking this is Gabo. Let's find out.
We're not sure if it's Gabo or Gabo, by the way, so somebody let us know.
Oh my goodness, no it is not. This is Magnifico.
Ah, Chris Pine.
Yes, we like Chris Pine as an
We
actor,
love
but
Chris Pine, and he did an amazing job acting in this, voice acting. But his character, I did not like his character at all. He was not cool. All right, let's give Mom a second to guess. Okay, Mama, who is that one?
This one's Gabo or Gabo. Gabo?
Gababo.
Look at the smirk. I love the smirk on her face.
Here's Gabadibabo. I added a bunch of extra syllables there. Gabadibabo. Look at that smirk on his face, my goodness. And she knows who the next one is, clearly.
This is Sabino. And Sabino has a great face, too. And I was saving...
You know who the last one
I
is?
was saving the best for last. The star of the show.
When you wish upon a star, Makes no difference who you are. I know this ain't the right movie, but they play this in the credits.
Because it suits the character star.
Yes, it does. So
And
let's...
who doesn't love Jiminy Cricket?
Yep. All right, let me show everybody what we got. Here are all our characters from Wish, and my mom's right here. Do you have anything to say to your fans today?
Thank you for joining us today, and you even got to hear Rachel sing with her lovely voice. Have a good evening, daytime, morning, whenever you choose to watch us. Bye.
Bye, everyone.